Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Notion for fashion collections planning. Let's get started. First off, you'll want to create a new page in Notion. This will be your central hub for your collection planning. Why do we do this? Having all your information in one place streamlines the planning process and helps you stay organized. Now that we've done that, it's time to add a table. This will be your main tool for tracking your designs. Fill in the table with categories like design name, materials, cost, and status. This helps us because it provides a clear overview of each design in your collection at a glance. Once your table is set, you'll want to add a notes column. Here, you can jot down any important details about each design. Think of this as your fashion diary, where you can keep track of your creative process. This is important because it helps you remember any key details or moments of inspiration that come up as you're planning your collection. Next up, create a timeline view in your table. This allows you to map out when each design needs to be completed and by when. The reason we do this is to ensure a smooth workflow and help you stay on track to meet your launch date. Finally, don't forget to utilize Notion's tags feature. Tag each design with its status, like in progress, completed, or needs revision. This gives you an instant visual cue of where each design stands. And there you have it. With Notion, you can turn your fashion collection planning into a streamlined, organized process. Remember, the key here is to keep everything in one place and consistently update your notes and timeline. That wraps up our tutorial. Thanks for joining us, and happy planning.